Sending money from Malaysia to Nepal can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To begin, you will need to choose a money transfer service that operates in both Malaysia and Nepal. Popular options include banks, money transfer companies like Western Union or MoneyGram, and online services such as PayPal or TransferWise. First, determine the amount you want to send and the exchange rate you will receive. Compare rates among different providers to ensure you get the best deal. Keep in mind that some services may charge transfer fees, so factor this into your calculation. Next, gather the necessary information about the recipient, including their full name, address, and bank account details if you are transferring directly to their bank. If you are using a service like Western Union, you will need to provide the recipient's name and location where they can pick up the cash. To initiate the transfer, visit the website or branch of your chosen service provider. Create an account if you do not already have one, and log in to start the transfer process. Enter the recipient's details and the amount you wish to send. Then review the transaction to ensure everything is correct. Pay for the transfer using a debit or credit card, or other accepted payment methods. Depending on the service, you may need to upload identification documents to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Once the transfer is complete, you will receive a reference number or receipt. Share this with the recipient so they can track the status of the transfer. The recipient can then receive the money in their bank account or pick it up in cash, depending on the service used. To avoid any issues, make sure the recipient's details are accurate and the transfer is made through a reputable service. Also, be aware of the transfer limits and any applicable taxes or fees associated with the transaction. By following these steps and choosing a reliable money transfer service, you can easily send money from Malaysia to Nepal. Always prioritize security and use trusted providers to ensure your transaction is safe and successful.